What's up, Zeppinetics? Today, we are having a house tour. But first, let me show you our kitchen. Come on, let's go. What do we have here? We have pantry, refrigerator, oats, Milo, sugar, crispy fry. Here's the sugar, flour, century tuna, Mega Prime, UFC, Golden Fiesta. Okay. The second one, let's do the garage. Let me show you our garage. Let's go. So here we have a car. Here's our bike and scooter. It kind of looks like a racing bike. Come on, let's go. This is my bike. We do biking every Saturday. There's a Cuda, basketball hoop. Let me show you our living room. This is our living room. This is where we are watching TV with my family. So this time, let me show you our bathroom. Let's go. This is my bathroom. And here's the take a bath every day. So this is our study area. We do online class here. And last but not least, let me show you our bedroom. We were sleeping with little brother Zion and Zion, and just sleeping. So that's all for today, guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye!